If your date abandons you with the bill, can you sue them?
Your date seems to have left you, sir. Would that be cash or card?
Nah, she just went to the bathroom.
Sir, if that's the bathroom, she must be taking the scenic route.
Oh no. Well, she ordered the lobster and 3 tins of caviar. I'm not paying for that.
I get it, but here's the thing. When you order at a restaurant, you're agreeing to pay. When you leave without paying, it's a crime called defrauding an innkeeper.
But she said we could go halvesies. Look at the text.
That's a solid case, but until you sort it out, the restaurant can hold you responsible for the full bill.
But I can't afford this. What if I just scrub dishes to pay it off?
Only in the movies, my friend. Health and safety standards won't allow it.
Then what now?
Well, since you got clear proof on your phone that she agreed to split the bill, you could take her to court and sue her to get your money back.
Huh, I didn't even think of that. You should start a YouTube channel.